Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question.
Yeah, today's question is contest registration. So in this question, a contest is being organized where registration is free for the first X users, and every user who registers after the first X users has to pay a fee of 100 rupees. Now, Alice registered at position Y, and we need to determine the amount that Alice pays. So the input will be given two space separated integers in a single line, representing the integers X and Y, where X is the number of these registrations allowed and Y is the position at which L is registered. In the output, we just need to print a single integer that is the amount L is has to know. The constants were given at X and Y will range between 1 and 10. Now let's see the first input. So though it's going to be free for the first one user, and L is registered at first position. So she has to pay basically 0 rupees. In the second case, that's free for first two users, but L is registered at fifth position, so she has to pay 100 rupees. In the third case, it is free for first three users, and L is registered at second position, so it's basically free for us. Now for the solution, all we need to do is take in the input of x and 1. And if y is less than or equal to x, then print 0, because that would mean that ls registered before the first x positions. Otherwise, we need to print 100, right? And yeah, that's pretty much the whole solution as well. So now let's see the code. So this is the code in C++. So we'll begin by taking in the input of x and y using this thing. So what are we doing here? So first of all, we're taking in the input of the code line as a string and then splitting it with respect to spaces with their list of strings. And then we convert this list of strings into a list of integers using this map function and map them into x from y. Then if y is less than or equal to x, we print 0. Otherwise, we print 100. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we begin by taking in the input of x and y using cf. And if y is less than or equal to x, which means ls registered before the first x position. So we'll print 0. Otherwise, we'll print 100 using cout. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity is constant for both Python and C++ solutions because we're just doing a very, very few number of constant time operations. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.